Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the Modelones Nail Foundation Repair Concealer Kit. This is a comprehensive nail care kit. I was sent these products for reviewing purposes and free of charge. You can use code, and it's going to be on the screen, for a percentage off. This kit is $13.99 on Amazon. There will be links to these kits in the description box below. The kit includes 3 nail care items. They are fragrance free and cruelty free. You don't need a UV light. These kits will give your nails a natural polished look. The nail foundation and the top coat bottles are 15 mils each. This kit is supposed to help conceal, ridge fill, and brighten your nails. This sparkle pink is an iridescent pink. It does have somewhat of a shimmery blue iridescence to it. Nail concealer foundation polish. It helps restore your natural nails and hides imperfections such as yellowing, pilling, and rough nails. Applying this nail foundation will help your nails look healthier. And you can also apply other polishes on top of this nail foundation as well. So you use this as like a nail foundation, a base, or a treatment, and then apply whatever or base color that you would like to wear. And then use your top coat. Now here's how to use this kit. You want to clean your nails. First you would want to remove your oud polish, and then you use a alcohol pad to remove any natural oils that may still be on your nails. You apply the foundation, 1 to 2 coats. You want to allow this time to dry. It will dry in 2 to 3 minutes, so fairly quickly. Top coat that. Once your top coat is dry, then you will apply the cuticle oil and massage that into your skin. This special nail foundation has a nail growth veil, and it can moisturize and repair damaged nails. It does help restore your nails back to health. How can it do that, you may ask? Here's how. The nail foundation has evening primrose oil, and this heals cracks, reduces discoloration, and soothes nails. It has keratin, which enhances nail reinforcement for better concealing. It also has jojoba oil, which moisturizes deeply and repairs damage. For best results, use these products consistently. They're going to work best when you have consistent use over time. Now the top coat in this kit gives your nails a glossy finish. It seals in polish, and it also provides extra strength and longevity to your manicure. And as you'll see in the demo, I always cap my free edge of the nail. That also helps your manicure last longer. And the cuticle oil pen in this kit moisturizes nails and cuticles. It helps prevent hangnails and dry cuticles. It has a thick formula, no scent. It is very moisturizing and quickly absorbs in the skin. So I really do like that as well. Overall, I do think this kit is very nice. It works well, and I love how this really looks like just a natural kind of base pink. This is going to enhance, and I think that these products would work really nicely as a base color for a French manicure. I really enjoyed this kit. I found it helpful and very useful to my nail care routine, and will definitely be using it more. Thank you, Modelones, for sending me this kit to test out and review. All the details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to use this code at checkout for a percentage off. I hope you enjoyed the review, found it helpful, and maybe try these products out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links, as well as the cards for other nail art related content. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.